right, good morning, everybody. Coming to you live from Danchuk Manufacturing. And morning, everybody. This is our early crew that's come in for the second sale. Line outside in the dark. I think some of you are here were by 6:15 maybe. But we're going to do some drawings throughout the day here. And I'll show you some pictures later. Maybe we'll do a video. Mitch, originally from Australia and now in Orange County, brought his beautiful 57 two-door coupe.
I'm using your credit. As you do.
Yeah, sedan. And we're going to be giving away some things over the course of the day here as we get groups that come in. But right now we're going to give away a YETI cup. We designed these as giveaways at the Danchuk Tri-5 Nationals. And there's only a few of them in existence. We're going to give away one of those, and we're going to give away a T-shirt this morning. And I've got a vet here from our art department, and we are going to have Mitch's son Blake, who's 5 years old. He's going to be everybody okay if he's our official number drawer today?
Yeah.
All right. So Blake, go ahead and draw one of those cards in there. That's all right. Inside the bucket there, Blake. There you go.
29.
What number is it?
29.
Who's 29? 29? All right. All right, so do you want a YETI cup or a T-shirt?
Cup would be fine.
Cup, and your name?
Al.
Al, congratulations, Al. Thanks for coming out this morning. And you were the first one through the door, right?
Yes.
There you go. Pays to be the early bird, right? All right, Blake, one more.
One more number.
One more number.
That is number 40.
Number 40. That's the last one that drew. Yeah. What's your name? Donald. Congratulations. Pick a shirt, any shirt, and put it on your order, and that'll be free, okay? All right, everybody. Thanks for coming in early. Again, Danchuk Seconds Sale going on all day today. Your chance to get some beautiful Danchuk parts with just very, very minor flaws in them. Right? Danchuk Seconds are gorgeous, right? If you got a driver or you're looking to save some money, great way to get some great parts, great fitting parts, high quality parts. So, folks, come on down. If you're in the Orange County area, or give us a call. I'll put the number in the comments below, and we'll look forward to seeing you or talking to you today. Mitch, Blake, thank you guys. You'll have a great day.
You too. Thanks.